Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the age verification problem on X. Let's get started. First, open the X app and make sure you're signed in to the correct account. Then tap on your profile icon in the top left corner of the screen. From the menu, tap on Profile. On your profile page, tap the Edit Profile button. Scroll down until you see the date of birth option. Tap on it. Then tap Remove Date of Birth. A confirmation message will appear. Tap Remove to confirm. Your date of birth will now be removed from your profile. Next, tap on the date of birth option again. Then tap Edit. Now enter your correct date of birth. After selecting the correct date, tap OK to confirm. Then tap Continue in the top right corner of the screen to save your changes. Once the changes are saved, your updated date of birth will appear on your profile. If the age verification issue was caused by an incorrect birth date, updating it may help resolve the problem. And that's it. If you liked the video, like, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more helpful tutorials.